I'm Anat. I'm a team lead of data engineers at Next. Next Insurance is an insurtech company for small businesses in the US. We take this insurance experience, which is usually a hassle for businesses, and we make it very, very simple based on our technology.
I'm Nadav. I'm the Director of Data Engineering at Next Insurance. Next Insurance is a data-driven organization. We use data for everything from the day-to-day work of account managers in marketing, product managers looking to explore what would be the next feature, and all the way to top management and strategic decision making. Everyone uses data on a day-to-day basis, and it's very accessible to everyone.
My team is focused on marketing and growth data, and Next is growing a lot. So we integrate a lot of external sources, ad networks, to see how our marketing campaigns are working. We want to see all the conversion data, spend data, to see that the campaigns are really working well. We want to make this data available for data analysts so that they can analyze all the data, see how we can improve our marketing strategies.
The reason why we picked Rivery is we had this challenge of connecting with external services that provide data, things like ad networks or customer support systems, Zendesk. Each such integration requires some effort to develop and then additional effort to maintain. And with Rivery, we just get it out of the shelf, very simple to integrate, and what could have been like 2 weeks of development becomes 2 hours of integration. And that's it, the data flows.
Onboarding with Rivery is very, very simple. You have like 5 minutes just to see the interface. It's very, very quick to understand how to connect new data sources. And now our data engineers, when they onboard, they can onboard in minutes, not in weeks. I would definitely recommend the Rivery. First of all, because it's simple, as I said, but also the customer service, which is priceless. We know that whenever we need Rivery, they are there. They are very responsive and they help us a lot.